Thank you, girl. Training has been a fabulous experience. I love that it was home training. It was in my hometown. It has provided me this safety and security of traveling into all the places that I know, such as Rice Village, the Galleria, the Museum of Fine Arts. We have done all of those this week and had lots of fun. Thank you very much.
Hey Sheila, in one word, describe your dog.
Awesome. She is awesome.
Let's take a look at that nanny.